In the knowledge economy of today, opportunities are in abundance. No matter what your field is, you could be a writer, a developer, coder, programmer, engineer, artist, content creator, video editor, whatever is your field, there are unlimited opportunities. If you can't see them yet, that's because you haven't developed your skill in your craft enough yet. So dedicate your focus in developing the skill in your craft. Do as much practice as possible, see the content by top performers and how they do it, and if even that means working for someone for free so that you can learn from them in developing your craft, do it. Because when the time comes and you are offered a gig or a job or a project and you have the confidence to look at that person in the eye and say, fuck you, I can earn 5 times more than that, and then you go and prove that, that's the stage when you're fuck you good at your craft. And you'll know that in your heart when that time comes. You'll have the confidence, that inflection point, and that is the stage when your craft that you respected enough will eventually liberate you, take away your disadvantages and inferiority complex, and liberate you, give you the freedom that you deserve.